Oh, no, shut the hell up, Will. Shut the hell up.
There's no way.
Will, what happened to you this weekend?
This was on Reddit, and it was like the.
I know,
most
but what
popular
is it, like
post.
World Record Day or something?
I don't know.
You didn't notice when you were compiling this that you had 17 world records?
No, I didn't.
And 15 fast food stories?
It's a Monday.
Okay,
It is a Monday.
here is the world's oldest living dog, Pebbles. Guinness World Record certificate, 22.
Jack.
Hey, man. What did he say?
Jack's Casper.
Oh, Jack's. I thought you were saying it looked like Jack. Yeah, I guess Jack and Casper are going to be together for a while if this dog lived to 22 years. 22 years, verified. South Carolina. That's a long age. That's an old age for a dog. World's oldest.
Yeah. We like
Again, this what's hard about this is for sure there's people who have had older dogs, but they've never been measured.
yeah, this came to mind because we were talking about PewDiePie's dog.
Oh, right.
His dog is like
17. Right. Yeah. Or did he say that? Or how do you know?
or about to turn 17. He said in the
That's
blog.
old. That's old.
Very old.
Yeah. So maybe goes for the world record eventually.
I wonder what this dog eats to have such a long life.
Somebody in the chat says Yo Kiro Taco Bell. That's the dog.
That's not the dog.
You remember that?
Yeah. It's a Chihuahua.
Mo, was that was that before or after you were born?
That's after or before.
Yo Kiro Taco Bell?
No, I've no
Man,
idea.
it's crazy. They could have an ad campaign that everybody knew.
Except for me.
Yeah. I wonder if the dog has had an easy run to 22 or if it's been a lot of surgery and medication and pain. I'm curious about that. Because for a dog, 22 is like 100 or something.
Yeah.
And then you would hear some people, they get to 100, no problem. They're just like, I got a routine.
Yeah.
I eat my oatmeal or whatever I do. I do my jumping jacks. And you're like, damn. And then another person, it's miserable.
They have like a bionic hip or something. It's like everything is cyborg.
Oh, right. They've just, everything's been changed out.
Yeah.
You need a new set of shocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.